Right now, in your life, there is something Allah has already placed in front of you, and you've walked past it, maybe more than once. Not because it was hidden, not because it was subtle, but because you weren't looking. Allah isn't sending you louder signs. He's waiting for you to finally notice the ones already there. We've gotten so used to scrolling, skipping, and moving fast that we've lost the ability to actually notice things. A conversation that shifted your entire perspective, you called it. Just a talk. A moment where everything suddenly made sense, you called it. Lucky timing. A recovery from something that should have broken you, you called it. Resilience. Every one of those was Allah, plainly, standing right in front of you. But you were moving too fast to notice who was actually there. Here's what most people get wrong. They think they need to search harder for Allah's signs, dig deeper, analyze more. But noticing isn't about searching. It's about slowing down long enough to actually see what's already in plain sight. You don't find a sunset by searching for it intensely. You find it by simply stopping and looking up. Allah's signs work the same way. They're not hidden in complexity. They're sitting quietly in your ordinary day, waiting for you to stop moving long enough to actually see them. The moment you actually start noticing, really noticing, something shifts. That easy breath you took after a hard prayer stops feeling random. That person who reached out at the exact right moment stops feeling like coincidence. That door that closed, which you now realize protected you from something worse, stops feeling like loss. Noticing doesn't create new signs. It reveals the ones that were always there, waiting patiently for you to finally see them for what they are. You don't need to notice everything at once. Just pick one thing today, one moment, one feeling, one small mercy, and actually sit with it instead of rushing past it. Ask yourself honestly, could this have been Allah? Don't answer too quickly. Let the question actually settle. That's how noticing begins, not with a dramatic realization, but with one honest pause. Allah isn't hiding from you. He's waiting for you to finally notice what's already there. Comment, I see it now, if something just came to mind while watching this. And if someone you know has been rushing past their own signs, send this to them. Sometimes all it takes is one person telling you to slow down and look. Allah Hafiz.